The best fruits, vegetables, roots, and seeds come together to create a unique product. Restore. We've chosen and extracted the best ingredients. Organic evaporated cane juice, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, xanthan gum, monk fruit, resveratrol, aloe vera gel, Food Guard citrus extract, raspberry ketones, black cumin seed oil, and citric acid. The combination of these ingredients have been developed to unleash the power in your mind and body. This makes you well prepared to combat toxins and to protect your body against harmful elements. Restore's established ingredients also provide antioxidants and essential amino acids, making it a perfect food supplement. You will particularly enjoy Restore when you are trying to lose weight or on a vegan diet, or you simply want to give your body more energy and live a healthier, more active life. Restore has everything you need to function at your best every day. All the best of nature to restore your energy.